Habakran Rupang kisanmut kibalaklat no Hashen Lapalang dong madan lien saw shinok nagajinti yakapung kabadap Menteri Rangba Kajela ukon rat ki sangma ulaong mai kibabu ni kibalaklat kidei ni kilongyi kibaduk Reina kaliang ke sorkar kin bishar bunya ada kitrai kiba ai bylla yakini kiba pha banti yakapung ada kipin ken kindon ti pung ke sorkar kan sale da kabar tyngeh ha kabaya day berkani pat ke sorkar kadang bishar kumno ban ai jingerap yaki kumban shpin kan mau kini kilaingut iba penkhui yakapung na kejingdap jangka ha ke jakatre kebadan Lapalang kan bagi dang ti bentre yakate kapung ha ke shputre unaitung kumba nyu beji janmit
those who are doing this. There were rules, laws, and certain things were prohibited. Individuals who are not following those prohibitions are breaking the law, breaking the rule. Appropriate action will be taken against them. And also, we are examining that there are some requirements because they are all from very, very economically weak section of society, those who passed away. So therefore, we are looking at ways in which we can give some support. So I'm examining. I had received a letter yesterday from some of the party members from the National People's Party. The Nongthamai unit had written to me, and so did other units from even from if I'm not wrong, I think one was from Krim, and one more was there were two more from a different constituency. So all the constituency party units have written to me. So I'm examining and seeing how we can help. The problem is that under the disaster management, there is no provision to support in accidents which happen like this. But as I said, because they are from very poor background, I will examine the matter and then I'll take a decision.
So, Honorable Tourism Minister had informed us